Good afternoon. It's about 1:30 p.m. and today is 7th of June 2018. How are you guys? What are you doing? How are your trades? That's my concern all the time, every day, every time I make a video. I just hope all of you have good profits. And our members are just like this is one of my very new member, who's just learned about in a week's time, a week back only he's joined the course and he's done the trading, right? And I'm just going to show you, like this is 1 day profit 2400. Do you think recovering fee will be a very long process? It's not, right? Look at another one, small profit, but I told them to take baby steps before you go into for bigger positions. Take baby steps. Everywhere green matters, like see, this is HDFC Bank. This is another old member of mine from my second webinar. He's made about 32,000 rupees, right? And like this, there are many. Everybody is earning money. See here, this is again Bank Nifty and Nifty, and no tip providing, nothing. They are doing it by themselves. This is Hindalco, Bank Nifty and Nifty, right? All of them independent, and this is somebody's, positional trades, some of my members positional trades. And then somebody has booked Jubilant Food, 11,000 rupees, 11,100 rupees. This is my webinar 11 member. Look at it, just the positional trades, right? As I said yesterday or the day before also in my video, that now these very good stocks are available on a very discounted price. So people are, there is a method to enter into those stocks, and people are really, applying those methods and creating. He's written it. I mean, he's written it over here that just following StockPro method, right? So as I said, as I keep saying, there's a method in the madness. So this method is something, if you understand, you can only mint money. That's the only thing that you can do. And not only that, our setup people are using in commodity. I mean, one of my member is using it in commodity, raining profits on our, from our members, those who have learned and those who are really doing, members are really doing excellently well. So this is, I'm going to just show you a few more. So here is, look at this. This is some one of my member, 11th webinar member, has traded into Nifty calls, right? Then another one also traded into, sorry, I think the profits are missing here, but this member has earned good about 11,000 rupees. I think this can be, I will be able to send it to you guys so that you can all see it. So this is the confidence when you learn it, when you learn and when you take trade yourself. That's the confidence I want everybody to have, not basically always looking for tips. I want you people to trade like a pro, trade like a pro, and trade with understanding in the market, what you're really doing. You should know about the market, then only you will be able to create good trades. So see here, this member has made 16,000 plus 742 rupees here, right? These are all trained members. They have been, working only and only on the stock pro setup. Not only that, I want to show you another member. He's written, thanks ma'am for best stock pro setup, enjoying earning in commodity. I'm working only with setup including pivot points, mostly trading in crude and silver. Thanks again. So this is how, members are using their own intelligence and the wisdom also to deal to trade using our setup into various things, various ways. So I am saying that, guys, this is the right time, to enter into market with good uh, good stocks are available on a very cheap valuation. And go to my website. This is my website, stockprotraining.com, and go to the courses. You select whatever you want to. So you've seen people, most of the people have traded in Nifty, or they have traded in the positional trades. And Here you have all the possibilities and a very, very reasonable price. Earning this back is not even one day's job if you become pro, right? If you understand market. If you are losing market money every day, my suggestion to you will be that just stop it over there. Just put a stop to your losing spree, and start earning with confidence in the market. I've posted many screenshots today, and now we have wonderfully, our course is fully recorded. So the moment you join us within next 1 hour or two, you get the access to the recordings, and then there are some live trading sessions so that you can all polish your own self, right? So what I'm saying, that learning every day from the market and creating good money, it could be a passive, it could be another way of creating passive income. And as I told you yesterday, I have exited JSW Steel and M&M as I felt the market is at a high peak and there may be some kind of correction. So I exited with about 4,000 rupees profit in the morning, and I have entered into DMart. Right, DMart is another stock that I have entered into. So right now on my account I have 2.56 lakhs, plus I have these 100 shares of DMart, which cost around right now 1,55,000 something, right? So 1,55,000 plus 2,56,000. This is what my account value is right now. So that means it's about 4,11,000, right? So it has grown up since yesterday by 3.5, 4,000 rupees, right? I was at 4,08,000 rupees or 4,07,000 rupees. So it has grown up by 4,000 rupees, right? So this is my portfolio, which I show you every day what I'm doing here. So I've exited JSW Steel and Mahindra because I felt Nifty's at lifetime high. There could be a profit booking, and if not lifetime high, but on a very peak right now, there may be some profit booking. There are certain signals which I followed, and I have exited my position, right? All right. So this is how I'm showing you everything. This is my positional trades. I'm growing it with you. This portfolio is growing with you. I am pretty okay if I get about every day. My gain over here is about roughly 1.5, 2%. I'm fine. End of the month, let's say there are 20 sessions, and in 20 sessions, if I gain about, I don't expect 20% gain. I don't expect 1% gain every day. But even if I make it 50%, if I end of the month, if I have about 10% gain, I'll be pretty happy. Like 4 lakhs, if I can grow with a 10% gain every month, and then I can tell you one thing, the power of compounding. Every month, if I can grow my portfolio with 10%, do you understand what will it be after 1 year? It'll be a huge amount. It'll at least much more than double, right? Doubling will happen, I believe, in 7 or 8 months, right? So this I'm trading with you. I'm showing you everything what I do here, right? And I'm expecting you guys also to learn about the market and then earn in the market, right? So yesterday on my radar was REC Limited. REC Limited. Yesterday I entered in its call at about 4 rupees. Today the call touched 8.5 rupees, right? This was such a powerful trade. Members know about it because I told them to go by when we discussed it on our forum, right? Then yesterday on my radar was definitely RCom and IDFC Bank, and today on my radar, I'm not really doing anything stock specific today. I'm just concentrating on, yeah, morning I traded with Hindalco. Morning I traded with Hindalco. So when Hindalco was somewhere here at the bottom, I bought it and I sold it out here when this pin bar was made, when this in this what do you say, in dragonfly doji, but in the inverted form was formed, or you can say pin bar, or you can call it whatever you want. When this candle was formed with price rejection at the top, then I exited my trade, right? I can show you also orders. So see here, Hindalco I entered at 252.2, and Hindalco I exited at 254, right? So that is what my trade was in Hindalco today. And of course, there were other few trades which were also pretty fine, but this was a pretty decent trade, which I was tracking for quite some time. And right now on my radar is Star. Star Sashun. I have put its put also over here. If you see, the put buyers are 97,000, sellers are only 15,000. Similarly, sellers here are 1,50,000, the buyers are only 97,000, and the stock is under consistent resistance for a long time, right? So this is on my radar. I do definitely want to enter into its put. The only concern that I have right now, that it has a very very huge support as 344, but still, even if it falls another 5-6 points, this put will do pretty good. So this is one stock I'm keeping on my radar. I'm waiting if a bit of nifty, if a bit of profit booking comes into nifty, I'm 100% sure the stock will also definitely show a pretty much downtrend, right? So let's wait and watch. I'm not getting into it quick this thing, because yesterday I told you I'm waiting for NIT Tech to go down, but NIT Tech suddenly changed its direction and started moving up, right? Big candles were formed in the upward direction. So I want proper confirmation. Until I get the confirmation, I really don't enter into a stock, right? So guys, get ready to learn and get ready to earn, because until you will learn, you will never be able to have green portfolio every day, right? You have to, I mean, every day I start my video with one concern only: how are you guys doing, right? And I really wish and I really believe each of you should generate good profits every day, no matter what direction Nifty is going, no matter what direction market is heading. But you have to be in green. That is one single, you know, uh, one single desire I have in my heart, right? So go ahead and take a call. It's not a huge amount. You have an option of EMI payment also. Even if you take 10 EMIs, it'll be just 1,500 or 2,000 rupees per month. But imagine how much will you be able to generate every month. It'll be many multiples of that. So I am just appealing to you guys. Choice is yours. I'm sure you guys are making good money, and that is why um, you people are not thinking about it. But I'm 100% sure, in case you all in case you are losing, please consider learning about the market. Okay, so take care guys. I am just waiting for you guys. I'm just hoping now there seem to be some kind of a profit booking in Nifty. So as I told you, I showed you that I have exited my positions believing that market is going to go down, right? That is why it shows me positive. Although I sold my stocks, I exited my position, the value of stock is below that, right? So the portfolio should be in green. I should not be in the loss. That is my sole determination, right? Similarly, here also, I'm waiting for the stock, which is Star. You can also keep it on your radar. If you find the candles below 10 moving average in 15 minutes, it's good opportunity to short, but it has to go below 352.62. And if it goes below that, then it just is going to have a beautiful fall after that, right? Wait for RSI to go below 40, right? So these are my trades. And my wish is always to somehow, even if you don't want to do my trades, don't want to learn from me, at least give you some indication, some help where you can learn and earn every day. So since morning also, I had on my radar was just dial. Look at the beautiful flight it's been taking. It's been just heading up and up and up, right? Beautiful flight. But somehow I don't trust the trades of PC Jeweler or many other such stocks which are operator driven. I don't really like to work in them. So I mean, I used to have a little not good opinion about Just Dial, but I'm somehow gaining more confidence in this particular stock. So anyway, I mean, I somehow sometimes very finicky about stocks. The stocks that I want to work with, I always believe, I want to trade in the stocks which has a management which follows certain ethics. So I always prefer to trade in you know, Tata Steel, Tata Stocks, or Infi, or reputed companies, you know, because I somehow believe that my mindset should be aligned with my stock. And that is the reason, you know, I don't like stocks like PC Dweller, or I somehow don't like them. So anyway, choice is yours, choice is everybody's personal choice. Some people believe it's okay to. So I also do trade sometime, you know, just for experiment basis. I do trade, but not that I trust them. If it, even if at all I trade for intraday. I mean, I don't like to hold them in my portfolio. In my portfolio, I always want, you know, stocks which are rock solid stocks. All right. So anyway, a lot of things I've told about my way of investing. But anyway, guys, good day. Enjoy your trades. Trade well. Earn profits. That's my only concern. Promise to yourself and promise to your family that you will not do any irresponsible trade. And please keep sharing your profitable trades in case you've learned something from me, and you've traded based on that learning. Please keep you know, posting it somewhere, I mean, on the YouTube, or you can email it to me. So with this, I'm signing off, but I'm hoping that all of you learn and earn from the from market, right? Bye bye, take care.